Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tina and I make videos on lifestyle, home, and DIY projects every single week. And for today's video, I'm showing you guys my top 10 essentials for my new apartment. While I was moving into my new apartment, I realized how many things I really love and depend on, whether it be from my old place bringing it here or new items that have really helped me adjust to this new space. For a little bit of a background, I'm moving from a place that was a lot smaller to a larger complex. So a lot of these things I found to be super helpful in adjusting, and I really think that everyone can benefit from these items. So let's jump into the first essential. My first item definitely has to be this foldable Dolly cart, and it is very compact and small, but you can adjust it so you can make this a lot taller. And this has honestly become such a lifesaver, especially since we are moving in so many big packages and things. So I got this from Amazon, and I really wish that I had it on move-in day because it would have made things go a lot smoother. But I'm so grateful to have it now because it's really helpful for groceries and also just looking around really heavy items. This is super great if you live in a smaller space because you can make it compact and just stow it away. And you can also just keep it in your car at all times so that you always have it on hand. It also comes with these two cords, and these have been really helpful in just securing the item. So earlier today, our bed frame came in and it's about 60 pounds. So having this was super helpful in getting it from the bottom floor of our lobby to our 4th floor. And honestly, I think everyone needs this, especially if you live higher up in your apartment. Speaking of groceries, another essential that I have are tote bags. So these are so handy in just maximizing all of the items that you can put inside of a tote bag. Also, it's a really great option because they are reusable. And I know in some cities like here in LA, you actually get charged to use a regular plastic bag. And this is just a better option. I have a whole bunch in here and they're just ready for me at the front door whenever I need them. Some of my favorite tote bags are from Cotton On, which is where this one is from. I love shopping at Cotton On for some really great basics, like the shirt that I'm always wearing, but whenever I'm there, they always ask if I want to buy a tote bag, which is a donation to their foundation. And every single time I say yes because I know that I'm going to need a tote bag. So I have this one, and then I have another really cute one in here. They have so many different options, so if you happen to be shopping for clothes there, make sure that you grab one of their tote bags. I wanted to make sure that I included a few eco-friendly options in here. So this next item is something that I think everyone should start doing, and that is just to buy things in bulk. So this is just one example of things that you can buy in bulk, but Target does sell the refills for their soap bottles, and this bag will fill up the one bottle that you get 3 times. So that way you're using less plastic and just buying things in larger quantities, especially if it's an item that you know you're buying month over month. You might as well just buy it in bulk. I know that you can do this at Target, Costco, and also Amazon. So I would definitely say this is a great option for everyone. And not only is it better for the environment, but you also save money by buying in bulk. And to go along with the soap, I actually just picked up these 2 bottles from Amazon. They came as a set and they're so beautiful. I love the amber glass on these. I think they just look so chic and minimal. And the black detailing on this is also super nice. So if you're looking for a cute bottle to decant all of your soaps into, I would definitely recommend these. I just love how simple and elevated these look. And I also think I'm gonna get another one of those old school label makers. Mine broke, so I have to buy a new one. But I'm planning to put this onto my kitchen counter so it looks all nice and clean, and then just labeling them with hand soap and dish soap. I have a few more kitchen essentials, and my first one definitely has to be my air fryer. The one that I have is the one that's like in the As Seen on TV commercials, and I got it as a gift for my bridal shower. It honestly was probably one of the top things that I wanted, and this has just been my most used appliance in the kitchen. It is just so compact and does so many things and makes my potatoes taste so good. This is a great option for those of you guys who are looking just to make simple, quick, easy meals that are a little bit healthier because you don't have to use a lot of oil to cook with this. I also love that this just stops on its own, so you don't have to wait around and keep an eye on it like you would with an oven. And I honestly just love it so much. There's so many different options for air fryers nowadays, so I will link a couple down below in case you're not looking for one that is this large. I just love my air fryer so much, and I feel like I rave about it all the time, and a few of my friends have actually bought one and they love it just as much. So if you don't already have one, pick up an air fryer and start frying with air. I still don't understand how that works. This next item is really gonna take your kitchen from drab to fab, and it is an acacia wood turntable. These are pretty inexpensive, they are functional, and they are also very beautiful, so you can just keep it onto your counter, or you can also just put it into a cabinet. These are so versatile. You can also put them into your bedroom or your bathroom and just put some of like your spa essentials on top. Honestly, everyone can use a turntable in their life because it's just so satisfying to use. The last kitchen essential is something that I picked up from Target, and they were so inexpensive. It's this pair of dinner bowls, and they are kind of like a plate bowl combo. These are pretty shallow, so they're perfect for making rice plates or even salads, and they're also really light wood because they're made out of some type of plastic. And actually, when I first saw these, I thought they were ceramic, and I was like, how are they only $4? But I realized they are made out of a plastic. They have a darker outside and then a lighter inside, and I think it just looks so chic, and for $4 each, you just can't go wrong with these. And Target actually carries a whole line of these, so they come in regular plates as well as bowls, and also a whole bunch of different colors. So if you're looking for some inexpensive dinnerware, I would definitely check these out. This next item is a must-have for anyone who's renting, and it's kind of an obvious one, but command hooks are definitely the way to go, especially if you're hanging up heavier objects on your walls. I would definitely recommend the Command brand because they are just the safest options and they won't ruin your walls. So I have a basic pack right here, and not only do I use these for my walls, but I also use them inside cabinets to hang things to really maximize space. And Command has really stepped up their game because they're making things look a little bit more stylish. So I did pick up these black ones as well. And as you can see, these have a black matte metallic look to them, but they're just really great if you're looking for a more decorative option. I've even seen people use the bigger decorative hooks, and they use them as curtain rod hangers. So if you're looking for an easy renter-friendly way to hang up curtains, that might be a great option for you. So I definitely would recommend Command because you can use them for so many things. The last item on my list are these laundry bags. I think that they are a must-have for everyone. I don't do my laundry without these. I always separate my delicates in one bag and then any special garments in this. These are also really helpful if you have a bunch of masks that you need to clean, so you can just plop them all within one bag. I got this set from Amazon, so they came in a whole bunch of different sizes, and these are also super handy if you're traveling, so I always put in my dirty laundry in this or just separate out my clothes inside my suitcase in these. This set in particular is also really nice because you can put the zipper behind this little strap right here, and that way your zipper doesn't come undone. These have really helped me preserve my clothes because then I could just separate them out before I put things into the dryer. These are super basic, so if you don't already have them, I would highly recommend it because it will change your laundry game. Alright, so that wraps it up for my apartment essentials. I hope that you guys found some items that you really love in this list. Let me know down below if there are things on your list that you think that I should buy for my new apartment. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I post videos every single week. My next video is going to be a DIY, so I'm so ready to start crafting in my new place. And as always, if you guys have any video recommendations, make sure that you leave it in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. I'm posting on there every single day. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!